A lot of people have a question as to why was Pluto removed from our solar system. So today we will disclose these things in this video and you will get the answer to your question. Together we will also see the basic information about Pluto in this video. So watch the video completely. So first of all, we know the basic thing about Pluto. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh on 18 February 1930. The planet Pluto was named Pluto by an 11 years old girl named Venetia Burney, who lived in Oxford, England, but unfortunately died on 30 April 2009. Pluto minimum distance from the Sun is 4.43 billion km and maximum distance is 7.37 billion km. It takes 247 years for Pluto to make a full round of the Sun and doing orbit around the Sun at the speed of 17,074 km per hour. Pluto takes 6 days and 9 hours to rotate in its own place. Pluto rotates in its own place by 47.18 km per hour. Just as the Earth has 365 days and night in a rotation period on Pluto would have only one day and night like a planet Uranus, because Pluto is tilted 122 degree on its axis. That is why Pluto has 124 years day and 124 years night. Pluto has a diameter of 2376 km. This Pluto is of that much kilogram. Pluto has three inner layers: nitrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. This mass is found on Pluto. A 100 kg human being on Earth would be just 6 kg on Pluto. Pluto has 5 satellites of its own. The color of Pluto is black, orange and white. So this was basic information of Pluto. Now we come to the point that why did Pluto not find a place in our solar system? What caused Pluto to be evicted from the solar system? See, to get this planet's place in the solar system, the ability of three things must be in planet. First, this planet revolves around the Sun. Secondly, this planet should be so big that due to its gravitational force, its shape is almost circle. The third and main reason is that the planet is much so strong that it can make its own independent axis apart from the rest of comets. Our 8 planets meet these three things, but Pluto did not meet the third of these three things. Because on Pluto's axis there is a Kuiper belt, and Kuiper belt contains comets and small objects. Pluto's gravitational force is so weak that it could not pull comets and small objects coming on its axis, and could not clear the path of its axis from that small object and the comets. So Pluto could not live up to that third point. If I say in one line, Pluto is not counted in the solar system due to the lower gravitational force of Pluto than the rest of 8 planets. All these things of Pluto come to know about the International Astronomical Unit. Then they withdraw the title of planet Pluto and were given the title of draft planet, and this title given on 13 September 2006. I hope friends you must have understood all things about Pluto right now. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.